So, good morning, everyone. Today, after your exams, we are going to start your chapter number 5, separation of substances. Already, we had started this chapter before exams. Your key terms we have done, aim we have discussed, and the outlook of the chapter we have discussed. That why separation is necessary, why we need to separate the this waste products or the waste materials from the used one. So what is the reason behind it? Now today we'll start reading this chapter. So first of all, Kashvi, start reading the chapter. After that, one by one, I will speak to everyone. Then you have to read this chapter. And children will perform the
Ma'am, am I
activities related
audible?
with this chapter. So you can start with it.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
There are many instances when we have noticed a substance being separated from a mixture of materials. Tea leaves are separated from the liquid with a strainer while preparing tea. Grain separated from stalks while harvesting. Milk or curd is churned to separate uh, the butter. As we learned in chapter 3, we gain cotton to separate its seeds from fiber.
Okay, okay, beta,
Uh,
mute yourself. Next is Khushi Singh. You can read. Khushi, continue. Or Aditya Raj, you can start. After that,
Grain,
Prapti, you can start.
grain is separated from stalks while harvesting. Milk or curd is churned to separate the butter. As we learned in chapter 3, we skim cotton to separate its seeds from the fiber. Perhaps you might have eaten salted dalia or pulao.
Okay,
मैम
continue,
पैराग्राफ
continue.
क्या होता है?
Wait, beta, I'm telling you, wait. Continue, beta. Aditya, continue.
Chilies in it. You may have carefully taken them out before eating. Suppose you are given a basket containing mangoes and guavas and asked to separate them. What would you do? Pick out one kind and place them in a separate container, right? Seems easy, but what if the materials we want to separate are much smaller than mango or guava? Imagine you are given a glass of water with a salt mixed in it. Impossible even to think of separating salt from the mixture by picking out grains by sand by hand.
Okay, beta, thank you. So, children, what is written in this paragraph? Here it is written if that objects or the things are bigger in size, like mango and guava, if there is a question and if they are, it is said that separate them, then how you can separate? You can simply separate it by hand picking. You will pick the mangoes and keep it in the one basket, and you will pick the guava and that will be kept in another basket. But if the substances are very, very small in size, then how and what we can do to separate these objects, that we have to see. Okay, before going further here, I just want to tell you one thing. There is very, very important question. Why do we separate substances? Why we are separating the substances? This is a very, very important thing. Why there is a need to separate the substances? Okay, so here the answer is also there. The question, this is the question, why do we need to separate the substance? And here is the answer. Purpose for which we do the separation. This is answer of this question. Why we are separating the substance? First is to separate two different but useful components. Second, to remove non-useful component. And third is to remove impurities or harmful components. So this is the reason why we need to separate. And one more is there. What do we do with the separated components? We throw the solid impurities. We throw away the impurities, we use both the components. So children, what happens if there are stones? Suppose if there is a stone in the pulses or in the rice, what we need to do? We just throw it because we do not want it. Okay. So next, Aditya Purohit, start reading the next part. From here, start. We see that
the before we use a substance, we need to separate harmful and non-useful substance. They may mix with it. Sometimes we separate even useful components if we need to use them separately. Substance
So
we
children,
separated may
underline this. The substances to be separated may be particles of different sizes or material that may be liquid or even maybe gases. So all the substances can be separated. Okay, Aditya, mute yourself. Next is different methods of hand picking. Now, first different method of separation. First method we are going to read about hand picking. Okay, Puneet Anand, unmute
yes, ma'am.
and start reading activity number 2.
Bring packet of grain purchased from a shop to the classroom. Now separate the grain on a sheet of paper. Do you find only one kind of grain on the sheet of paper? Are there pieces, stones, husks, broken grain and particles of any other grains in it? Now remove with your hand the pieces of stone, husks, and other grains from it. This method of hand picking can be used to separate slightly larger size impurities like the pieces of dirt, stone, and husks from wheat, rice, or pulses. The quantity of such impurities is usually not very large. In such situations, we find that handpicking is conventional method of separating substance.
Okay, beta. So I have just marked it. Please underline. The method of hand picking can be used for separating slightly large size impurities like pieces of dirt, stone, and husk from the wheat. Okay, and after that, you will be underlining the second last line, that hand picking is a convenient method for separating substances when if the substances are not too large, only then this method can be used. So hand picking method, children, we are using at our home. Okay, you must have seen your mom before cooking, she uses the hand picking method. Okay, second method is threshing. Zunair, unmute, start reading.
You must have seen a bundle of what are the paddy stalks lying up fields after harvesting the crops. Stalks are dried these suns before the grain is separate from them. Eat the stalk of the many grain. मैम नीचे करिएगा. Seeds attached to it. Imagine the number of grain seeds in hundreds of bundles of stalk lying in the field. How those farmers separate grain seeds from the bundles of stalks?
Okay, Zunair, thank you. Next is Khushi Singh. Khushi, unmute. Khushi, start reading from the next paragraph.
One may pluck mangoes or guavas from the trees, but grain seeds are much smaller than mangoes or guavas. So, plucking them from the stalk would be impossible. How does one separate grain seed from their stalk? The process that is used to separate grain from the stalk, etc., is threshing. In this process, the stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds.
Okay, children, I had marked it. Kindly underline. The process used to separate grain from stalk is called threshing. In this process, the stalks are beaten to get the seeds. So kindly underline it. Next, Arnav Agarwal,
And
continue.
my chance is there, Prapti.
Okay, Prapti, after
Ma'am,
Arnav Agarwal,
Prapti.
you can read. Arnav, you can start. In the next paragraph, Prapti, you can continue. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Arnav Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
Sometimes threshing is done with the help of blots. Machines are also used to thresh large quantities of grains. This mixture on a plate or a newspaper. Look at this mixture carefully. Can the two different components be made out easily? Are the sizes of particles of the two components is similar? Would it be possible to separate the component by hand picking? Now take your mixture to an open ground and stand on a raised platform. Put the mixture in a plate or sheet of paper. Hold the plate or the sheet of paper containing the mixture at your shoulder height. Tilt it slightly so that the mixture slides out slowly. What happens? Do the do both the components sand and sawdust or hash or powdered leaves fall at the same place? Is there a component that blows away? Did the wind manage to separate the two components? This method of separating component of a mixture is called winnowing. Winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter component of a mixture by wind or by blowing air.
Okay, beta, thank you, Arnav. So I want everybody to underline that I have given you. So what's written? The method of separating component of a mixture is known as winnowing. And winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter components from of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. Children, you can see in the picture how that winnowing is done. So that woman is standing on the higher place, and how with the help of air or with the help of a wind, how that is the lighter components are blowing away. So the heavier components fall just down and lighter components move away from it. So this is the way how winnowing is done. Next is Prapti Jain. You can continue.
Yes, ma'am. This method is commonly used by the farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. The husk particles are carried away by the wind. The seed of grain gets separated and form a heap near the platform of winnowing. The separated husk is used for many purposes such as fodder for cattle.
Okay, children. This I want you to underline. This method of winnowing is used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from the heavier seeds of grain. And the please underline this also. जो husk separate होता है, the husk separated is used for the fodder for cattle. वो cattle के animals के fodder के purpose के लिए use किया जाता है. Okay, so this was a method of your threshing and winnowing. Next method is sieving.
Sieving.
Children, sieving method.
Some
Okay, I want everybody to switch on the. I
sometimes
want everyone to switch on the camera, and after this, you are going to do that activity. Okay, Naman.
sometimes we may wish to
Okay, continue. Sometimes sieving.
Sometimes we may wish to prepare a dish with flour. We need to remove impurities and brands that may be present in it. What do? We use a sieve and pour the flour into it. Sieving allows the fine floor particles to pass through the holes of the sieves, while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve.
Sieve.
In the
Okay,
floor
okay,
mill
wait, beta,
sieve.
wait. So I hope everybody has done this method of sieving at the home. Your mom used to prepare tea at home, and before serving, what she does? She just filter that tea. That is known as sieving, because we do not
Ma'am,
want that.
they sieve the tea.
Yes, tea leaves. So tea leaves remain on the sieve, and we get the tea, pure tea.
Ma'am, can
So
I tell one more example?
yes, sure, beta, you can.
Ma'am, at home, when our mother make a dough, before that she sieves the floor so that the impurities be left behind on the sieve.
Yes, very good, very good. So such many of the examples we use at our home even. So sieving is done. So children, you were saying that I had told you in the beginning to perform the different activities. So here in the diagram, this is the sieving.
Ma'am, can I Prapti?
Prapti, what you want to show?
Ma'am, sieving I want to show.
Okay, okay, wait, children. For that, I need to stop share. After that, one by one, you will be showing this. Okay, the different activities. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear to me.
Only to you, I think. So you can check
Ma'am,
your
can
network.
I, Kashvi,
Yes, Kashvi,
show
start
the
with your
activity?
activity. Yes, one by one,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
Start. Another one also get ready. So I want such kind of activities from each one of you.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, beta, sure you are. You can continue.
So I have taken some tea water, as you can see,
Okay. So
and
tea
you
leaves
are
are
able
there
to
in the
see
water.
that the tea leaves,
Yes.
known as chai patti in Hindi, is left in it.
Yes.
But we can't drink it, and we do not want it, so we will pour it from the strainer. Let me show you.
Ma'am, my activity is also same.
Okay, Prapti, no problem. Let her complete first. After that, you will start. Let her complete.
Look, the tea leaves are on the strainer.
Yes. Yes, able to see. Very good. So I want everyone clap, digital clap for Kashvi. Digital clap for Kashvi. Very good, Kashvi. Well done. Now, Prapti, you can start. So this is the best example of sieving, children. You can do such activities at your home even, and you can show. Okay, next, Kashvi, mute yourself. Now, Prapti, it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Digital clap only. Okay, start.
Ma'am, I have one glass of water.
Yes.
Now I'm going to put tea leaves into it.
Yes.
Now it is in tea leaves in the water. Now I'm going to save it with chutney.
Sieve. You can say sieve.
Tea.
Tomer, mute yourself.
As you can see tea leaves are on the sieve and the water is sieved.
Okay, very good, Prapti Jain. Again, I want the digital clap for Prapti Jain, because on the spot they have shown the activities. So from tomorrow onwards, children, I want everyone to prepare one activity related with this winnowing, hand picking, and sieving. Any of the method you can use. Okay. So anybody else
Ma'am,
want?
can I?
Okay, very good. Sorry, started.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sorvi, and today I am going to show you the process of sealing. For that, we need bowl,
Sieve,
and in
floor
that
and
we
sieve.
put
Yes.
some. I have put some atta
Floor, you can say
and
beta.
some
Floor. Floor.
flour and stones on it. Now what I'm going to do, I have taken one strainer, as you can see. Now I'm going to separate the flour from the stone. So let's see. First, I'll put all of it over the strainer,
Sorry, set your
and
Ma'am,
then
our
video.
I
video
just
is off.
Sorry, your video is off. Beta, just check it. Earlier it was okay.
ma'am now.
Yes, now it is visible.
Now, if I do like this, so you can see all the stones are over it, and the leftover flour is over here. So by this, we can separate the stones from the flour.
Very good. Well done. Excellent. So on the spot, Sauravi has shown the activity. Very good. Digital clap for her. Well done, Sauravi. Who, anybody else want to show? Digital clap for everyone from everyone's side. I want the clap from everyone's side. Okay, Aditya Purohit, you can start.
Ma'am, I have taken one glass of water and put in it. It is called Hindi Jeera. Now I will.
Sauravi, mute yourself.
Now I will.
Okay.
Now we can all see that it is remain in this filter,
On
but
the
the water is
pure.
on
We can get the pure
here.
water and you have separated the tea leaves. Tea leaves means or the tea leaves or
Yes.
anything else that we do not want, we can use with the, we can separate with the help of a strainer. So I hope
Ma'am,
every,
he said that he has taken cumin seeds.
okay, yes, cumin seed he has taken. But whatever is there that we do not want, we can separate it with the help of a strainer. Very good. So clap for him. I must appreciate class 6 children that on the spot they have given the activities. Well done, children. So in the same
Excuse me,
way,
ma'am.
yes, wait, better.
Ma'am, can I show one more activity of
Okay,
filtration?
sorry. Okay, sorry, you can.
Okay, ma'am, just a second.
Yes.
So, see, I have taken a glass, and in that I have taken muddy water. Then I have mixed it. I want to pure it. So first I have taken a strainer and one more glass. Now I am going to put it over the strainer, as you can see. And also you can see that all the stones were on the strainer and all the water comes here. So by this process, we have filter or separate the stones by the water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.